yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary Camaro Boys. That's right, the Camaro Boys are back in the building again. It's going to be a long day today because I'm dropping nothing but Camaro Boys today. And they out here acting a bona fide fool. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Camaro Boys down? Or will the Camaros take that mighty, mighty, mighty V8 and push it and push it and push it until the devil say, I quit, and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Straight to the malarkey! Camaro Boys, let's see what y'all doing. I don't know if that's a black or a blue Camaro. I don't know what the speed limit is, y'all. They don't got it posted. What that look like, a 20, probably a 2017? Oh, there you go. Yeah, but dude. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my Chevy Super Sport toes, baby. I hope you're ready.
Camaro.
Oh my goodness, that takeoff is nasty. Man, look how far he is, y'all. That is insane. I don't think that was a ZL1.
119 here on Persian.
She doing 119. He doing 150. Easy. I'm sorry, baby girl. If you can't quantum leap like him, you might as well give it up. That is insane, man.
Negative, I apologize. No, we're going towards Broadway right now.
Where's it at? Where's the Camaro? I mean, I know I'm old, but I know my eyes ain't that bad. That thing disappeared as fast as Floyd Mayweather's money. Gone. I'm sorry, Floyd. I gotta get you.
Right now. Still on Pike, I'm assuming.
I'm sorry, baby girl. You picked on the wrong Camaro today. You picked on the wrong Camaro boy today. He doused his feet in gasoline and lit him on fire. They fast forwarded.
165 speeds at 100.
If you doing 100, I know what he doing. Is that him up there? She caught up to him. Okay, baby girl. Well, we thought you caught up to him because he's gone again.
His speeds are 134 right now.
134? Dang. The Camaro Boys do not play, man. Shout out to the Camaro Boys.
Oncoming traffic.
I used to be a Camaro boy, y'all. I miss you. I used to be a Camaro boy. I miss you. She can't keep up, man. It's over, baby. You know what time it is.
He is pulling away.
It's time. It's time to 1022.
Side was here 165 at Old
Go get you some donuts, baby. Go get you some Starbucks. Go get you some hot coffee, baby. You gonna need it tonight. Slide through the T-Lights house. I'll knock your back out for you, though. It's over. Hasta la vista, baby. It's a wrap. See ya. Meet me in the comments. The Camaro Boys have done it again. They're on fire. Straight on fire, man. Shout out to the Camaro Boys. I love y'all, man. I used to be a Camaro boy, and I miss being a Camaro boy. I'm thinking about turning back and going to get me another Camaro because I miss that car. Listen to the sound of this monster.
20 now, Rock 1037.
Music to my ears. Straight monster. Listen to it, y'all. Watch when he put his foot all the way down, though. Watch when he put his foot all the way down.
It's gonna be that Camaro. Oh. Just ran a red light here at Persian.
Good googity muggity. He was not playing no games. And then again, we can't say it's a he. It could have been a she versus a she. It could have been a lady in that Camaro versus a lady cop. We don't know what it was, but we do know one thing. When you hit the dimensional shift button, there is no turning back. You're going. You're gone. She or he did not play any games. They knew what they was doing, and they knew what they had. They knew they had that V8 power. When you got that V8 power, you're on a different playing field, especially when the cop is riding in an SXT. Well, we'd like to call it a super extreme trash. Ain't catching nobody. Hell, I think I can outrun a super extreme trash on an electric bike. But big shout out to the Mero boys. You did it again. Y'all are on fire in 2026. Y'all doing y'all thing. Y'all representing for the Chevy gang, the Chevy boys. But with that being said, hopefully you like the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, I was gone for a couple of days, but I'm back and I'm making up for time lost. If I miss videos, I always give you 3. If I miss 3, I'm giving you 3. I'm going to push it to the limits today because y'all deserve it, because y'all are who? The Werewolf Pack. I love you. So what I need for you to do is hit that like button, drop a comment, drop a werewolf in the comments, and make sure you share this video if you can. Please share the video for me. And if you can spare me a couple of hype points, if you can spare a needy werewolf some of those hype points, it will be very, very, very much appreciated, because that does help the channel grow. And if you're a Werewolf Pack member, you definitely want the channel to grow. I love y'all. Please stay safe out there. And with that being said, I'm gonna give you some positivity. Don't you dare, and I mean dare, give up. I need for you to keep going. I need for you to keep pushing it to the limits. I need for you to keep believing in yourself. I know. It feel like your time has not come. I know you feel like time is running out. I know you feel like everybody in the world is against you. Check this out. I'm not against you. I'm rooting for you, and I know you can do great things, but you cannot, you will not, and you won't give up, because you're a Werewolf Pack member, and us Werewolf Packs in the Werewolf Pack, we don't quit, we don't give up, no matter what the situation is. It will get greater later. You just gotta make it to what? Later. I love you, and I'm rooting for you always. May not know you personally, but I'm always rooting for anybody in the Werewolf Pack. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. We don't want to see you run. Actually, we do want to see you run, but we wish you didn't. But by the time you get to us, you've already became a diabolican. And if you're going to be a diabolican, you better live up to the diabolican name, and you better what? Get you a super sport Camaro and get nasty with it. Ears! Straight monster. Listen to it, y'all. Watch when he put his foot all the way down, though. Watch when he put his foot all the way down.
It's gonna be that Camaro. Oh! Just ran a red light here at Pershing.
Good googity muggity!